Hello guys, today we need to talk about budget 2021 and 2022. This budget was presented by Nirmala Sitharaman, our Minister of Finance. This budget was presented on February 1st, 2021. First of all, we need to know all about the budget. In this budget speech, the minister told that the main events are in the 2021 year the 16th 60 years of Goa's accession to India and also 50 years of the 1971 India Pakistan War. In this year, we also celebrate 75th year of independence and also the BRICS presidency also comes in India turns. And we have to launch Chandrayaan 3 mission and the Haridwar Mahakumbh Mela. And also the events are to strengthen Sankalp of Nation First, doubling farmers' income and strong infrastructure, healthy India, good governance, opportunities for youth, education for all, women empowerment, and inclusive development, among others. These all are quoted by the our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The budget mainly depends on six pillars. First one is health and well-being. The second one is physical and financial capital and infrastructure. That means inclusive development for aspirational India, reinvigorating human capital, innovation and research and development, and sixth one is minimum government and maximum governance. First one is health and well-being. In this, we have all know that COVID-19 have hit the world by most devastating. It will not said about what it brings in the states and nations. The PM Atmanirbhar Swasth Bharat Yojana launched in this budget the outlay of 64,180 crores over 6 years, and also said that the nutrition program and Poshan Abhiyan to merge to launch Mission Poshan 2.0 and also Jal Jeevan Mission for urban. We can get 2,87,000 crores and urban Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0 with a total financial allocation of 1,41,678 crores over a period of 5 years from 20 this year to 2026, and also clean hair program an amount of 2,217 crores for 42 urban centers with a million plus population in this budget. And the main policy in these budgets are scrapping policy, in which the government was encouraging fuel efficient, environmental friendly vehicles, thereby reducing vehicle pollution and oil import bills. So the vehicle would undergo fitness test for automatic fitness centers after 20 years in case of personal vehicles, 15 years in case of commercial vehicles. This initiative was taken by the Climate Action Program and Paris Agreements. Vaccination 35,000 crores for COVID-19 vaccine in budget year 21-22. The budget outlay for health and well-being is 2,23,846 crores in budget year 21-22. In the budget estimation, 94,437 crores, an increase of 137% with compared to last year. So in this budget, 35,000 crores is given to the vaccination programs, physical and financial capital and infrastructure. The second one is in this Atmanirbhar Bharat production linked incentive schemes for 13 sectors. The government has committed nearly 1.97 lakh crores over 5 years starting financial year 21-22. A scheme of mega investment textile parks, that is Mitra, will be launched. 7 textile parks will be established over 3 years, coming 3 years. The National Infrastructure Pipeline also launched in the 2019. It will cover 217 projects worth 1.10 lakh crores. Infrastructure financing development financial institutions 20,000 crores for 2021 and 22. This is the most important for financial institutions like NBFCs, banks, asset monetization. A national monetization pipeline of potential brownfield infrastructure assets will be launched. This means the assets will converted into the rupees or into the some cost estimations. An asset monetization dashboard will also be created and tracking the progress and to provide visibility to investors. In this, the capital budget is 5.54 lakh crore for financial year 21-22 have been implemented. Roads and highways infrastructure 1,18,101 lakh crores in the roads and highway infrastructure. And also in railway infrastructure, the National Rail Plan for India 2030 has created 1,10,055 crores have been given. In the urban infrastructure, expansion of metro rail network and augmentation of city bus services. In the urban infrastructure, the Metro Light and Metro Neo are two initiatives have taken to lesser the cost of metros. The power infrastructure now proposed to launch a hydrogen energy mission in 21-22 for the year 21-22 for generating hydrogen from green power sources. This is one of the green initiative for power sectors. In the ports, shipping, waterways, 7 projects worth 2,000 crores will be offered by the major ports on public-private partnership in this year. We in this budget adding 100 more districts in next 3 years to the city gas distribution network. A gas pipeline project will taken up in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. This was the newly created state. Financial capital consolidate the provisions of SEBI Act 1992, Depository Act 1996, Securities Contracts Act 1956, and Government Securities Act 2007 into a single securities market code because it will create a lots of disturbances to the depositors and the markets. So the government has decided to merge all these things into a single code and also support the development of world class fintech hub that is situated in Gandhinagar, Gujarat at Gift City. Petroleum and natural gas. In this, the Ujjwala scheme benefited 8 crores. It will be extended to 1 crore more to beneficiaries. Non-conventional energy sectors. to provide 100 crores to Solar Energy Corporation of India and 1500 crores to Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. In this, in the insurance sector, the FDI has increased from 49% to 74%. The Insurance Act 1938. So, guys, this is the first part of budget 21-22. Thank you.